students, today we are going to start exercise 12.2, 12th chapter part 2 video. So first question is there from that joining figure, name any three acute angles. We have done which are acute angles. Acute angles are those angles which are less than 90 degree. So these all are acute angles in this figure. So any three we can write DOC, EOD. So we have written angle BOC, COD, DOE. Next, an angle of same type as COG. COG. This is a straight angle COG. So other which straight angles are there, we can write here AOE, BOF, HOD. A reflex angle equal to angle BOH. BOH. This is a reflex angle. So equal, they said equal to angle. So vertically this angle and this both are equal. So DOF is equal to this. Two right angles with one arm as CO. CO arm should be there, and we have to write right angles. Right means which are making 90 degree angle. Angle COA written, COE written. Both are at 90 degree. Second question, classify the following angles according to their types. These angles given according to their types, we have to differentiate them, means which are acute angles, which are obtuse angle, and which are reflex angles we have to write. Now see, we are going to write here. First of all, we will write acute angle, obtuse angle, and a reflex angle. Acute 89, acute less than 90, so acute angle. 102 more than 90, obtuse angle. 181 more than 180, reflex angle. Next 357 degree, this is also reflex angle. 1 degree, acute angle. 9 degree, acute angle. 222, reflex angle. 98 more than 90, obtuse angle. 347, reflex angle. 300, reflex angle. 99 degree, obtuse angle. 22, acute angle, and 199, reflex angle here written. Clear? Next, do third question. Which of the following statement is true in a context of magnitude of angles? We have to see which statement is true. Magnitude changes with the change in position of any one ray forming the angle. These two rays are there which are forming angles. These two rays, if we will change position of any ray, suppose this we change from here to there, then angle can be changed. So this they have said, it means this is true. The magnitude of an acute angle cannot be more than 90 degree. We know that acute angles are less than 90 degree, so they said acute angle cannot be more than 90 degree. Yes, it is also true. The amount of turns that a ray takes to form an angle depend upon the length of the arm. That is false. The amount of turn that a ray takes to form, no amount of turns. No turns means it is how it is going, it is straight or like this way, so it doesn't its length doesn't depend on the angle. The magnitude of right angle is less than that of obtuse angle. The magnitude of right angle is less than obtuse angle is between 91 to 180 degree. 91 to 180 degree. So right angle is 90 degree, so 90 is less than 191, so it is also true. Next, see fourth question. Is it correct to say that the sum of an acute and an obtuse angle will always be equal to that of reflex angle? They said, is it true that a sum of acute and obtuse angle is equal or will be equal to reflex angle or not? So we will take one example. See here, sum of acute and obtuse angle. One acute angle take 1 degree and one take obtuse angle 91 degree. When we will do sum of both, 92 came, it is obtuse. Next, take acute angle 60 degree, obtuse angle 130 degree. This 190 came, this is reflex angle. So one time obtuse coming, one time reflex coming. So we cannot say that always sum of acute and obtuse angle is reflex reflex angle. No, it is not true. Always it is not true. Always sum is not a reflex angle. Clear? Next, see fifth question. Points A, B and C lie on a line in the polygon. This is a polygon. A, B, C lies here. So which table best classify the angles of the polygon? Angle A, B, C, D, E given, these type given. Angle A which obtuse, straight, acute, acute. Angle A obtuse, no, it is less than 90 degrees, so it is acute angle. So from here this option is wrong. Next they said angle A acute, yes it is correct. B right, this is a right angle, no this is a straight angle, so here it is also wrong. Next A acute, B straight, C obtuse, this is obtuse angle, yes. D right angle here, no it is not a right angle, so this option is also wrong. Next C D part, angle A acute correct, angle B straight correct, angle C obtuse, angle D obtuse angle correct, angle E is a right angle. So this is the correct option. Option D is the answer. With this our 12.2 is complete.